Okay, everyone, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a lock manual in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the rectangle first. Start from here by clicking in any position or any size. I will show you about the trick how to make a lock in SketchUp naturally or manually. Okay, so then we can get the plane of this surface. Then we have to select push, and then we have to push it up until approximately it made a square, almost square shape in this condition. Okay, so then we can using the freehand. We can using the freehand. Then we can draw the lock profile as we want or as we desired. Okay, you can see about my drawing right there. Okay, this one, and just connect to the closed curve. Okay, so we can get the surface, and then we can get the double surface, the outer double and the inner the outer plane and the inner plane. So this is the inner plane and this is the outer plane, and then we have to delete the outer plane by using this push, or maybe we can just click this plane, this inner plane, and select move, and then select control and click in this any position near to this object, and then click this one, and then select move to the proper position. Okay, so then we can uh, using the line, we can using the line, click the line, and then we can draw the line to the another direction as we want. Okay, so we can click this line, then we can click this follow me, and then just click this, and then we can get the lock profile. And then we can also click this plane, and then we can select move, we can select move, and then press control to duplicate it, and then place on the any position or the proper position, maybe for example in this position. So then we can push it until the direction as we want. Okay, so then we can select it, triple click it, and right click and make group, and triple click it, right click and make group also. Then we can using the wood materials, and then we can select this material to see the result of assignment about the materials of the lock on this SketchUp. Okay, so we can soften edge. If your toolbar on the right side toolbar have no soften edge menu, you can also right click this default tree, right click and select a manage tree. And then you can select the default tree, and you can check about the soften edge. You can check it and close, and then you can click the object, and then you can see about the result after you optimizing the soften edge in this position. Okay, you can soften coplanar, or you can make the smooth normal, or if you want to make the smoothen, you can drag to the right. If you want to make the outline, you can drag to the left. Okay, so you can adjust it by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video, and have a good day.